Hello guys, I'm playing Minecraft. I will join with my ate. So I need to build some ate house. Wala na ako napakita ang uban guys. Tara oh. This is from my ate house. Bahay daw niya, bahay. Bahay kubo kahit munti. Ala, where's my ate? Where are you? Oh! Ate, this is your train or no?
Yeah, that is my...
Asa ta mag-start?
I don't know. Where did you start?
Oh, maybe I want you to start. I need to sulod my door first, guys. I need to get some attorney, guys. And I need to write. Whoa! 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 Oh my God! Hala! Hala! Nabilin ko! Anay, nabilin ko. Bang! May untod. Anay, nabilin ko, guys. Wala ko nakasakay. This is my Ferris wheel. I don't know how to build Ferris wheel. So I need to this is my bed house, guys. I need to pakita with you. Oh my God. Where's the ladder? It's here. Oh, there. Here's the ladder. So I need to go inside to my bed house. Wait, guys. I need to put them there. And here's my bed, guys. I don't want to sleep, guys. Sorry. And here is my... And this is my swimming pool. And my basa-basahanan. And here's my kitchen, guys. Golden apple and that. So I wanna prank my ate. Sure, guys. So I need to build some more. And this is built to my ate. This is her house. Nice house. And here, she built this. Look at it. You know that sound? Oh, pickaxe.
Sounds like an...
And here's the room for my ate, guys. Ooh. Oh, what is in here? Wow, this is your pool? I got ninja block. What is in here? Oh, her bed. Wow, her TV. Oh, I forgot to pakita my bed house. I need to go some my bed house first. I need to open my ladder. This is my bed, my bed. And let's put it. And I need to now with the... I need to watch my TV, guys. Sorry. I need to sit down first. Oh, what's that? Here's my... Oh, where are you going? So, I need to painit here, guys. What is inside? Oh, the ball. Oh my God, why is disconnect? Why she go disconnect? Wow, may initanan. Oh, what's this in? Need to put that kahoy in this one kahoy too. So I need to painit here. Guys, I need to tiwas my tree house, guys. Where's my tree house? Put it here. This is my tree house, guys. It's white color. what is in here lagi? Lagi. Okay. So I need to cover it. Oh, how to erase this? I need to go inside and put some light at my house. I need to get my light. Oh, here my simbahan, guys, too. My simbahan was so cool, guys. It's here. Here, guys. And I need to saka. And here. Oh, wait, guys, I'm lag. I need to out title. But I need to go with. May is your leader. Ate, come to the simbahan, please. Done. I done basa. Sure. I need to go with my tree house. Oh, I forgot the dalan. Oh, the dalan is get. Why so ngit? Maybe I put some light. Why is it like color? My house is cool, guys. So I need to put some ladder. Where's she put? I forgot it here to put some ladder.
That's what I mean.
Anay. Anay, hindi naman babot ngan man lagi. Oh, my house cool. So I need to put some leaves. Anay. Nag-iris ko. Nagkuan pa dyan. Maybe I need leaves this.
Sana all. Biar na rin.
So I done with my tree house, guys. One, two, three. Three of them. 1, 2, 3. So I need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that. Ate, come on, gani. My tree house was too nice.
Can you go in my bed house? I want to see with my bed house.
Bed house? Asa man yung bed house? Where's the bed house? Oh, here's the bed house.
What's inside?
You talk, this is bahay.
What This is not bahay. This is a bed.
She said this is a bahay. Bahay kubo. Kahit munti. Pag-istorya po rin. Wow, your bed house was so nice. Now I need to hulog now. Bye.
Hey, do not go it there.
Whee!
It's so bad.
You too. I buto your house karon. I put some TNT. Oh, what is it here? Or some spider.
Anak gid na. Daog yun. Ano na sa ano? Papa, halika. Ah.
So this is enough now. I need to get some doorknob. Why is it not? I need some window here, guys. Oh wow, it's nice, guys. Look, Papa, my tree house. Oh, Papa, oh my tree house. Ba.
Anak ko. Ako naman ito may uli-uli.
Mama, oh my tree house. Anay, nawala, guys. Oh, ay balik. Why she not tuktok? Oh my god! Ay, here, man. Mama, oh my tree house. My tree house.
Kaya.
Wait. Oh, wait, guys. I need to eat some. Okay. I need... Oh, man, ako kaon, guys. Wala, nasaga ko. Dark, man, eh. Oh, wow. So,
Sinulong.
barak ka na, yung mga bitin din, ha. Na yung mga bitin din, ha. Di dyan ko maligo. atok niya guys. Play house. Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
Lord da.
Kung saan ang ulo mga kusog-kusog, hindi na sa
Ha?
My tree house is already nice now.
Walang nagpapit.
Wow.
Ito yung buto. More than ako ay kasama ng
Ikaw ba, dahan mo kaya ng panganak na parang
nasa portion is one sa wine. Meron mo na ni. Oh, puro naman nasa kasama ng bayan. Ang dami ng bayan.
ako nagpalitan silang ha.
Puro kasama. At least ito na kasi
Naglag ko guys. Wait, I need to auto title. I need to join with my ate. Where's my ate guys?
Gusto na dito sa Miro.
Oh.
Program ito sa Kwan. Ang kani sa katong gaduhan ng basketball. Siguro ko dito.
Oh.
Tayo. Sila meron to.
Your juice is not inside.
Pero katuman na siya.
Bye. Bye.
Gusto ka nila siya.
Sana gusto ko agad. Ang gusto ko kita.
Story. Oy, parehas din yung may kiki.
Dapat mapalo ba yun na. Kaya ni dito mapalo din sila anak.
Oh, I have so many armored. I just put this. I guess, oh yeah, it's complete. I need more diamond to make this.
Hanggang sa kami ni Edith. Sa kanan ni Kwa.
Story pa dyan. Parehas ako. I guess, oh, I have more. No more. Oh, where's my... Wow, my house was too cold, guys. Like this. Why my house was too neat.
Iya ba kami sa Ano po yung bago sa Rupo?
Hello? What? What happened? Your house is buto? No,
Dito man nakalagay sa isa sa Di man dito siya.
Guys, what did you say? Hey.
Wala ka ba?
Tapos may ano dito sa bago. Kaya ang mga project ni Iswan. Kapag kasi Iswan kay bright.
Ayaw,
Yun
adi.
siya din siya sugar dito.
Bawal ba ito maglantaway?
Buti ba niyang pangakot? Halos ba nagabugin ng kalawas ng benepisyo?
Adi, please.
Lugat niya. Ayun po mga links.
But I'm not disturb with you. I see it. You put it some video to body. Please, please. Ay, ako nang iti-iti imong balay. But I'm not hilabot with you, man.
Hindi pa kita nag-adtok out din, please get ba? I gonna TNT this your house.
Wala man ko'y gikuha. O, lantawa o, wala ko'y gikuha o.
Malis mo yun.
Tayo lang pag nakita.
My ate was so bad, guys. But I just prank here. She's so cool, guys.
And my brother too is so bad. He is so really bad.
Wow, cool house.
Ano may wait lang VIP bangan. Ang gulduan lang ako ba katawag. Nalibog ko.
I know you drink some akuan in security.
Suot sa ko at kung kuan pagsuot po.
Kalibugan at
Ikabalo ko na suot. Magpantok ka.
I know you there. Oh. I see it. You.
mas lang wala ko tumatid ang dulan.
Oh, Dil. Dil, pagsuot ba?
Wait, I need to go with my.
Dil, ang pagsuot ba? Di ko magsuot.
Maghawid magyapon ko ani.
Ayaw gani man ka makukuan po. Please, 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 pretty,
Wait.
please.
Wala may naandan dito.
I need to build some.
Malis lang dito kalibugan.
Tapos ako magsuot ka na. Magsuot.
Public servant.
Ini isuot ito.
Di ba mga on?
Mana?
Ah. Ano ba?
Dapat.
Say gapas.
Wa ba?
I need to put some a light with my house. Cool. And now it's done. So I need to put some.
Sabi yung lalo yung janggit mo.
Where is your tree house? I want to see. Wait, what? This is your tree house?
Pagsaka lang rin. Na din na.
Ay, ikaw na nagbuhat ang bahay?
Ha?
Ikaw na nagbuhat ang bahay?
Yes.
Ito silang call sa mga. Harbin o Nicole.
Saan man yun? Nagsaka. Nice. But it's too small.
Di lagi ka makitaan.
Di mo kung ka makitaan gani.
Naghawid man ko.
Nakawin mo ko o possibility.
Try mo, ha?
Suot.
So, I need to get some chest, guys. Yes, yes.
Suwag pinansyal. Dagang suwag panahin Gonzaga.
Hmm?
Suwag Ilonggo.
Yun ba?